In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close off the year and set a closing date in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you'll ensure your financial data is secure and ready for the new fiscal year. So let's dive right in. First, if you aren't already signed into QuickBooks Online, go ahead and click on Sign In. Once you're on the sign in page, choose QuickBooks Online from the options available. This will direct you to the login screen. Here you'll need to enter your credentials such as your username and password. After you've entered this information, simply click Continue to access your account. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to the settings. You'll want to locate the settings icon, which is usually found on the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will give you a drop-down menu from which you'll select Account and Settings. This is where we'll begin to configure your year-end settings. In the Account and Settings menu, you'll see several tabs. You're going to want to click on the Advanced tab. This section houses more detailed settings that are crucial for closing your books. Once you're in the advanced settings, look for the accounting section. Clicking on accounting will present you with a few options, and what we're interested in is the close the books option. To close the year, you need to enable the close the books feature. Once you have located this option, be sure to turn it on. This action will allow you to set a specific closing date for your fiscal year. By turning this feature on, you're essentially locking down your financial data up to that date, preventing any accidental changes or edits to past financial records. Next, it's time to choose your closing date. The closing date is the cutoff point for your financial transactions for the year. Carefully select the date that aligns with the end of your fiscal year. This is a critical step because it protects the integrity of your financial statements. After you've chosen the appropriate closing date, it's essential to save your changes to ensure everything is set up correctly. Look for the Save and Done button and go ahead and click it. This action will finalize your year-end closing settings and apply them to your account. And there you have it. You've successfully closed off the year and set a closing date in QuickBooks Online. These steps will help safeguard your financial information and maintain accuracy in your records as you move forward into the new year. If you have any questions or need further assistance, QuickBooks offers robust support options. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more tips on managing your finances efficiently. Have a great day managing your business in QuickBooks Online.